What's up, you guys? It's AD and welcome back to the channel. And here's another update of my Robinhood portfolio and how it did this past week. And I'll just tell you that it was a very volatile week and it was red at the end of it. Just a little quick note, this Robinhood portfolio will be soon Fidelity. A little more into that as we go on, but let's just jump into it right now, right guys? So currently the portfolio is at 26,589 with 4 cents. This is gonna change because crypto's running in the background. So I don't have the daily since I'm doing this on the weekend. So I normally do it at the end of Friday, but this time because I was doing the other video, which if you haven't seen it already, if you want to know exactly what happened, this whole situation with Wall Street bets against the hedge funds, I'll leave it down up and above with a note card. That way, if you guys interested in to see my side of it. But I'm pretty sure you guys already seen a bunch of videos of that. So let's just continue with my portfolio. So for the week, we were negative 348 with 91 cents, negative 1.30%. It was one hell of a week. Look, at one point we were up 2,208 at one point. And then you can tell that as the whole situation was unfolding before our eyes, we lost. Poof, they're gone, guys. They're gone. So I didn't make any moves this whole week except I just deposited $200 into the account, which is pretty much why my account stayed pretty much the same. So for the month, we're up 2,595 with 46 cents, up 10%, 10.82%. For the 3 months, 9,388 with 39 cents and 54.67%. We're up overall 9,814 with 71 cents, 58.51%. And overall, we're still up 5,836 with 9 cents now. Up overall 28.13%. So as you guys can see, overall, look how this small little dip looks like. And when you look at it up close, you're like, oh damn, we went down a lot. But this is why it's always good to look at the long term instead of short term, because that way you don't scare yourself off and sell a lot earlier than you wanted to. So let's look at the individual stocks. Snap is currently still one of the biggest positions at 25.96%. We're still up overall 306.37%. Let's see, for the week, we were negative 0.28%. I mean, this happened throughout all the stocks that I have. I don't think I had any stock that was not red this week. So let's look at Disney. Disney is still a small position, 2.73%. We're still up 39.33%. All of these down red days, it's a good buying opportunity is all I can say if you really believe in the company. So for Disney, we're down negative 2.57%. That was not that bad. CCL, let's look into this one. It's actually, I became a little, I don't know if it was it stayed about the same. So we're 3.04%, negative 19.73%. This is one of my positions that it's down the most, but it's one of the smallest, so it's not really affecting my portfolio that much. So overall for the week is negative 5.56%. Let's look at Facebook. Facebook had great earnings, but didn't matter this week. Portfolio amount is 6.71%. We're up 1.12%. If I had more cash, I would add more Facebook, man. But I got margin, and I'm trying to bring it down. So for the week, negative 7.42%. It's Facebook got hit hard. AMD, 5.57%. We're actually almost at cost average right here. 1.13% up for the whole total amount. I would add more AMD too if I had more cash, but unfortunately I don't. For the week, we're negative 9.21%. I stand by corrected. AMD was one of the hit hardest. All right, let's go with NEO. NEO, it's at 5.60%. We're still up a good decent amount, 113.92%. For the week, we're negative 10.51%. Okay, you can see that as I go down the list. We can see that we got hit harder. Let's go with Tesla. Tesla, 25.68%. So it's actually almost close to tie for my top account with the Snap, which kind of tells us it's not a good idea. I think because Tesla has been up for a good amount for the majority of our portfolio. So totally up percent is 82.08%. You know, still not bad for the long term, but short term, negative 7.85%. So I mean, I'm down a good amount for Tesla. But if I had cash, I would actually have bought a couple of shares right now. But this is what sucks, guys. When you see opportunity like this and you don't have cash, you can't take advantage of it. Let's look at Beyond Meat, 14.45% overall portfolio, third largest position, up 44.20%. Not bad, not bad. And a surprise. Beyond Meat is the only stock I believe that is up this whole week, and is up 25.14%. Insane. So let's go with Tattoo Chef, 6.02%. We're down on this, negative 6.30% for the week. Yeah, it got hit hard. About the average, negative 5.60%. So Tattoo Chef will be another one that I actually want to add more, but I still need to research more about that company before I even do so. But it's still somewhat a large position. Clover Health Investments. It's a 2.26%, and it's currently negative 1.67%. This one was very volatile. It was up 16.61% at one point and free fall. So as you guys can see, it was a very, very volatile week. So that's how the Robinhood portfolio was looking this past week with the whole market volatility. I'm pretty sure a lot of people I had also read. And to give a little more color of, you know, why I'm switching my Robinhood account to Fidelity, because of the things that unfolded this week. And it was basically a big tell that I do not want my money, or the majority of my money, to be in Robinhood, because I do not trust them as a brokerage account. And especially if there's like a huge day where you can take advantage of, you know, buying certain stocks. And if Robinhood tells you because they can't handle it, their system can't handle it, or for whatever reason is going on in the background, they're not reliable. So I am definitely very soon moving all my stocks to Fidelity. And it's probably going to take a couple months because I have a good amount of margin, and it's not going to be, I can't pay this fast enough. So it's going to probably take me about 2 to 3 months for me to basically have no margin. Then the other reason why I'm holding off to transferring my account right away is because when I tried to transfer it to Fidelity, they actually gave me a notification that it might take longer than expected, because maybe it seems like a lot of people in mass are, you know, transferring accounts. So maybe there's like a huge, you know, backlog or throttle neck, whatever you want to call it. There's a huge influx of people going into Fidelity, which is also not looking good for Robinhood, man. It is just very sad for where this brokerage account is going forward from here on. But that is all I had to say, guys. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment box below. You know, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, just to keep yourself informed more for videos like this. And remember that this was AD. I'll be seeing you guys later.